Hello everyone, we are Staff from Youducar. Today we are going to introduce our 10.3-inch car navigation display screen. We have our great bits with our brand new UIV system named UIV3. This UIV3 interface comes with two main home interfaces. The first one is the 3-car layout. We can freely adjust and replay this car with different app, and we will show you all the detail later. The second interface is dedicated card model. It only shows the card model in the center of the screen, while also displaying music, information, and current time. And look at the starter bar here. You can customize it wherever you like. Just long press any icon and then plus the app you want. And the setup is successfully. Now look at the 3-car layout screen. And you can see there are 3 cars here. The 3 cars can all be replayed. You can change it by adding the names you want. And the position can all be changed too. You can drag the 3-dot button to change the position freely as you like. And also you can see there is a button on the side. You can drag it out to enlarge it as its twice original size. And also there is the menu here. There's so many app for you. How to change the thing or the original interface easily. Long press the menu and then you can see there are 6 things here. You can choose one you like and then back, and the interface has changed successfully. How to change the card model. Long press the card model and then you can see there are so many card model here. And tap this icon and the card model has changed successfully.